are moving our dump box out of the white truck and putting it on the dually so we can dump it. Chris is gonna lift it out here. He's gonna be happy with that. And the kiddos,
Yeah.
just hanging out in the back seat watching what we're doing. Straightening it out. Some old fence and some scrap wood in there. The dump box in the dually, and then Chris can take it to the dump and go empty it. And then we might be selling the dump box, or I mean, we might still use it for being able to dump stuff, but we have a garbage bin now that gets picked up every 6 to 8 weeks. So we don't really have much use for the dump box anymore. We were using it for the firewood, but we don't really sell in bulk like that anymore. So we fill the totes and then sell it in bulk that way. But we don't do the dump box anymore. I mean, for one, it just kind of makes a big old mess with all the scraps. So yeah, now that we got that done, Chris is headed back up in the skid steer, and I will back this truck up a little bit more, and then I will head back up and we will bolt it down, and then Chris can take it to the dump. We got it all bolted down, and now it can be safely driven. Do you want to go up? Hey, baby. No, you stay out, please. So go back to the fence with Daddy. Or stay here. I'm not going nowhere.
Get your legs in your outside. Okay, duck through here. No, head first. Yeah, now throw your leg over.
Everybody's coming up for some food. They weren't all the way out, but definitely need to be fed today. You guys love your horses?
We do love our horse.
That's so good. Maybe we'll grab some oats and see if they'll come over. Sound good? Okay.
Mommy.
Yep. Whoa. Okay. Everybody want some oats?
We got lots of oats.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, everybody. Okay, get. Go on.
Mommy.
Everybody's being a little pushy. It's okay, Scarlett. We can just... I know. We'll just grab a handful and give her some. Maybe let's see if you guys have any cookies left in the barn. Yep. Okay, hold on. No, there's lots, babe.
What?
There's lots. Everybody will get some.
Can I give one to my horse?
Yeah, there's two there.
No. I have one tomorrow.
Scarlett already gave him one. Or Watson did, sorry. You go give one to TC and JW?
Rats.
Oh, I know.
I feel like
You want to give one to Twilight? Did you give one to her already? Okay.
I'm scared. Can you help me?
Yeah, I'll help you.
I can't do that. These little bugs are going to eat it.
Flat hand. Oh, she dropped it.
You do it.
Okay. Here you go, Twilight. It's fine. That's your mark, yeah.
Who's this?
That's Havana.
I'm going to give it to Dana.
Okay.
Or my horse.
We'll just pick, okay?
Maybe my horse.
Well, Havana's right here. You want to give it to her?
Horse.
Good job. Well done. Okay, let's go inside.